Yebo, yes, yeah, it's up close and personal with Israel Matseke Zulu, the one and the only GP, my orange, the ghetto professor. Timing. Yeah, the topic of today is timing. I call it fundamental elements to success or fundamental elements not to success. Izinto ezenza ukuthi umuntu angaphumeleli nezinto ezenza ukuthi umuntu aphumelele. Ngikala nge-timing. The word timing, you find it in the motor vehicle, in the engine of a car. Timing. Imoto mayingana timing, iyoloku iphushiwe, iyoloku istarta, imisfire. So nomuntu ongana timing wenza exactly the same. Uthola abantu bablomile, i-weekend awuna style, bathengile amabhiya laphana bayakuncenyisa. Now soyachitha, soyaphuza, sophuza kakhulu ukundlula bona. It's lack of timing. Or siyakuthatha sikufake entweni. Masifika phambili sokukhuluma wena kakhulu ukundlula thina. It's lack of timing. Yabona, it is smaller things that makes a person or that doesn't make a person. We don't look at success by being big dreamers. No, this one was favored by God. Lo unamadlozi are strong. No, let's put the spirituality aside, the religion, etc. Let's talk about life direct and straight. You know, when you change, it's easy to say I'm changing, but it is really a process to change. You can start by changing your behavior. Maybe your attitude is wrong towards the people. Maybe umuntu ongabulisi, uvuke ekuseni ukwatile, uyazibona awubulisa abantu abadala. You start changing those smaller things, so yaqala uyabulisa. Maybe umntwana uphendulana nabo mamakho, uphendulana nobabakhe endlini, awunanhlonipho. You change those smaller things you change. They are the secret to success. And then another thing, kunabangani aba-right, kunabangani abangekho right. Don't waste time nabangani obonayo ukuthi abekho right elifini. Maybe you've got skills, but you don't prosper with your skills because you always give your skills to wrong people. Understand? Into yana ezincane man. Timing ifana nobuntu. It's humanity. It's like a cultural value. But you can't find it esintwini uzobakhulume ngayo bathi thina bese sibe ne-timing. No. Bayikhuluma ngayo in parables or in religious or in spiritual language. Yeah, and then here's izinto engicabanga ukuthi they are very important elifini yomuntu. You look at successful people, some you can ask them ukuthi mfethu nokuthi ube nomona, you better ask how did you make it to the top. Maybe uvuka late. Now you start being punctual, so you just vuka ekuseni because ukuvuka is very important. Noma ungazi ukuthi uvukelani. Uvuke nje uyoshawa umoya estradini, maybe ikhona into ozoyicabanga. Ungavukeli kuyobloma ekhoneni. Yabona ukubloma ekhoneni bathi uzoyithola kanjani uhlele ekhoneni. Aweke uyithola imali ekhoneni. Ekhoneni uyozibulalisa i-peer pressure. Ugcina sowuthakatha ngoba abantu abadlula ngey'moto zabo. Lo uyachoma, lo kanjani. Kanti uma ungekho ekhoneni u-avoida ukuzisafarisa from that pressure and mind your own life. Understand? You look at the entrepreneurs, the shop owners. How did you make it? Angeke uvele uqale ngestock se-20,000. Uqala nge-7 rand or 10 rand. That's where the business starts. If you dream about ukuthi the real money is from 100,000, bokungeke kube ne-cent. Money start to count from cent. Uyathola ama-advice kulabantu ukuthi uze kanjani isitolo sakho sibe successful and fully packed. Khona abanye abantu, they are undisciplined financially and economically. People who work from hand to mouth. Angeke uthi une-business. This week ushaya stock out. Where you supposed now to upgrade your stock more. So uyaqala uthenga ikhavela. Obviously stock sakho sizoba less. Bamba umoya. Give yourself a duration maybe of 6 months. Utabana kule 6 months angidli expensive. Angiphuzi expensive. I just want to achieve this thing. La imali seyingena khona ke. So yakwazi ukuthi no kule 15,000 ithi ngithathe itawu 5 nami ngihambe ngiyozijabulisa ngomuntu ngiyozithengela amaswiti. Yabona ukuthi it is smaller things that makes people to be successful, and is it smaller things that make people not to be successful. Yabona futhi into engingayithandi, yabona we as black people sithanda ukuflash imali. I don't understand why if we have money we need to post with money. Jewish people are worshipped by money, but you'll never see them throwing money in the atmosphere. Sasa umuntu mbona kuphi I blew it, bangiloyile. But you know, uziloyile wena before bakuloya. You need to learn how to live and how to use money. Mbona my mistake applies in our community as people. Someone is lazy just to pick up a paper and forget a dustbin. That shows a lack of responsibility. Lo muntu is irresponsible. Kuyafana lo muntu noma ngathola 20 million. Kufana ukuthi uyothatha indlu yasesitshwela eAlexander uyoyiplanta eSandton. You don't deserve anything. Ngoba you never started where you're supposed to start. I always say people must be taught how to live. Yeah. I want to how to use money, but how to live a daily routine lifestyle. When you wake up in the morning, what do you do? What is your schedule for a day? Those are smaller things. Uthola abantu bablomile bashaya amahenesi laphana mara bahleli phezu kwamaphepha. Iphi irresponsibility khona lapho. That is why the country iyashaya manje. We can't handle the country as black people because we are not responsible. We don't love our environment. We don't love what we have. If I may ask, what makes a suburb and what makes a ghetto a ghetto? A suburb consists of trees, healthy environment, and security. I believe we can create our own because we can't all run to the suburb. Masinemali siyabaleka sohlala emasabhabhini sishiya ikasi linjalo mara futhi siyabuya futhi ekasi sizodrive lama Ferrari wethu ekasi ngapha itrata zethu zibolile. Okay, it's debatable. Someone can challenge me and talk about politics ukuthi ya thina vela kodaki basakhele izinto ezincane itrata ezincane, but what is the solution after that? Smaller things. I believe smaller things can change a person. Attitude, discipline, love yourself, you will attract good things. Ayikho lento ebiza ukuthi inhlanhla, lo unenhlanhla. Inhlanhla, you work for luck. You buy the luck. For people to love you, you must do something that will make people to love you. As ghetto professor, GP Orange, Danko.